To fix Venmo security, start by checking your account settings and ensuring that two-factor authentication is enabled. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. Next, review your account activity and look for any suspicious transactions or logins. If you notice anything unusual, report it to Venmo immediately. It is also essential to use a strong and unique password for your Venmo account and to avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Another crucial step is to verify your identity with Venmo by providing a valid government-issued ID and social security number. This helps to prevent unauthorized access to your account. In addition, make sure to keep your device and operating system up to date with the latest security patches and updates. This helps to protect your account from potential vulnerabilities. To further enhance your security on Venmo, consider setting up a PIN or fingerprint lock on the app and enabling notifications for all transactions. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the security of your Venmo account and protect your financial information. It is also important to be aware of phishing scams and never click on suspicious links or provide sensitive information to unknown sources. Finally, if you have experienced a security issue with your Venmo account, contact their customer support team for assistance. They can help you to resolve the issue and provide additional guidance on how to secure your account. By taking these measures, you can help to ensure the security of your Venmo account and protect your financial information.